Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First of all, thank you so much to all of you who have been supporting this channel. Your likes, shares, and positive comments truly mean a lot. And for those of you who are visiting for the very first time, welcome. Don't forget to support this channel by pressing the like button, sharing this video, subscribing, and leaving your thoughts in the comments below. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Ashampoo UnInstaller 15, a powerful software designed to help you completely remove programs from your PC without leaving unwanted files behind. If you've ever uninstalled an app only to find leftover folders, registry entries, or hidden files still taking up space, this might be exactly what you need. Ashampoo UnInstaller 15 offers advanced monitoring technology that tracks installations in real time. This means the software can record every change made to your system during an installation process, allowing it to remove everything later with impressive precision. The interface is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly, making it easy even for new users to keep their systems organized. One of the standout features is the deep cleaning capability. Beyond just uninstalling apps, it can clean browser extensions, clean up leftover files, and help optimize overall system performance. There's also a snapshot feature that lets you compare system states before and after installations, giving you more control over what stays on your computer. Performance-wise, the software runs smoothly and doesn't feel heavy on system resources. Whether you're a casual user who wants a cleaner PC or someone who frequently installs and tests software, Ashampoo UnInstaller 15 provides useful tools to maintain stability and storage efficiency. So, is it worth trying? If you want a more thorough uninstall process and better control over your system, this software is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment about your experience or questions. See you in the next video.